Welcome back to the channel. If you love nature, adventure, and hidden gems you've never heard of, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 7 wonders of Venezuela you won't believe exist. From skyscraping waterfalls to dreamlike Caribbean islands, this country's beauty belongs on every bucket list. So, grab your passport, let's go. 1. Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on Earth. Our first stop, the legendary Angel Falls, the tallest uninterrupted waterfall on the entire planet. Standing at 979 meters tall, this isn't just a waterfall, it's nature's skyscraper. Most travelers first fly into Puerto Ordaz or Ciudad Bolívar, then take a tiny plane deep into Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Look at that! The jungle stretches all the way to the horizon, and then, boom, the waterfall just drops out of the sky. Local guides will take you up the Churun River by wooden canoe, not for the faint of heart. It's a long adventure, but standing at the base of Angel Falls, absolutely unforgettable. This feeling, totally worth it. 2. Los Roques Archipelago, Caribbean Heaven. Crystal blue waters, perfect white sands, colorful fishing boats at sunset. Next up, Paradise Found. Los Roques Archipelago is a protected national park made up of over 300 islands and cays scattered across turquoise Caribbean waters. This place feels like someone hit the dream beach button on life. No big resorts here, just tiny inns, fresh seafood, and clear water as far as the eye can see. Snorkeling? Check. Kite surfing? Check. Best sunsets of your life? Check. 3. Médanos de Coro, Venezuela's Sahara-like dunes. Think deserts only exist in Africa or the Middle East? Think again. Médanos de Coro is Venezuela's own sand sea, a national park where winds have sculpted giant dunes reaching up to 40 meters high. Walk along these dunes at sunrise and the shadows will dance. It's unreal. Cut to dune boarding sequence. Ever tried sliding down a 100-foot sand mountain? You will now. Between dune buggy tours and panoramic views of gold-colored sands, this is one of the most surreal landscapes east of the Andes. 4. Catatumbo Lightning, nature's own light show. This next wonder is nature's own light show. The Catatumbo lightning strikes hundreds of times a night near Lake Maracaibo, creating one of the most powerful and consistent electrical storms on Earth. No, that's not CGI, that's real. Local fishermen say you can set your watch by it, and photographers, this is a pilgrimage. Imagine sitting by a boat on the water, and the sky starts cracking open like this. That's something you won't forget. 5. The Cueva del Guacharo Cave, echoes in the dark. Bat. Slow dolly into a huge cave mouth, stalactites dripping. From electrifying skies to underground cathedrals, welcome to Cueva del Guacharo, one of Venezuela's most famous caves and a true wonder. Inside, colossal stone formations twist into shapes you didn't know rocks could take. When the guacharo birds swarm out at dusk in search of food, it's like watching millions of shadows fly into the night. If you're claustrophobic, don't watch this part too closely. 6. The Andes and Merida Peaks, snow-topped majesty. Majestic panoramas of towering snowy peaks, winding mountain roads. Next, we go high, really high. The Venezuelan Andes are home to snow-capped giants like Pico Bolívar and Pico Humboldt, and the entire range sits inside Sierra Nevada National Park. This is where desert meets ice. Up close on the Merida cable car. And just when you think you've seen it all, you get in the Merida cable car, one of the highest in the world, and slowly ascend into the clouds. It's like climbing into the sky. Lakes, glacial valleys, cool breeze. This place feels like a dream version of the Alps in the heart of the tropics. 7. Gran Sabana and Mount Roraima, land of giants. Last, but certainly not least, the Gran Sabana, a vast plateau of golden grasslands, hidden waterfalls, and ancient geological marvels called tepuy. These stone giants look like islands frozen in time. Standing at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima is one of the oldest rock formations on Earth and served as the inspiration for Lost World novels and blockbuster films. When you hike its summit plateau, you feel like you're on another planet. The colors, the clouds, the silence, it's like Mother Nature decided to paint her masterpiece here. So there you have it, 7 wonders of Venezuela that you won't believe exist until you see them with your own eyes. From sky-high waterfalls to electrically charged storms, from Caribbean dream islands to ancient tepuy giants, Venezuela is raw, wild, and breathtakingly beautiful. But here's the honest truth. While these places are incredible, traveling here still requires careful planning, good guides, and safety awareness. Always check local travel advice before you go. If this video inspires even one of you to visit or at least add these wonders to your travel bucket list, then I know we did something right. Which of these wonders shocked you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a wild adventure. I'll see you in the next one.